All right, guys, come a little closer. I'm going to tell you a secret. I'm going to tell you how this guy here who wears the same hoodie in every single video for the last 2 years is making $100,000 per month online. Now, I wasn't going to do this video mainly because when you talk about huge sums of money, some people don't like it, some people do like it. But then I decided, well, I'm going to do this video anyway, mainly because about 10 years ago when I was trying to make money online, it was extremely hard. We didn't have the technologies to, like funnel builders and stuff like that. We didn't have courses we could follow. And more importantly, we didn't have free videos like this on the internet that we could follow and learn. If I had stuff like this back when I was starting, it would have made life a lot easier for me. So what I'm doing in this video is I'm going to actually show you how I'm making $100,000 per month. And not only that, I've made $2 million doing this. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can go out and start doing this as well, even if you are a complete beginner. Now, a bit of a disclaimer, this is a lot of money. It took me a long time to get to this point, and I'm not saying you're gonna go and make a lot of money doing this. You might not make any money. But what I can do is show you exactly what I'm doing, and if you follow along in this training, maybe you'll go out and make some money doing this. My goal here is to show you what I'm doing, and then in this video as well, show you how you can get to around about your first $100 per day following this strategy. So if you don't think making money online is real, then you're gonna wanna watch this video. If you do think making money online is real and you're struggling, you're gonna wanna watch this video. If you're just interested to know how I made $2 million and I make $100,000 per month, you're gonna wanna watch this video. And if you wanna do this yourself, then you are going to want to watch this video. Now, don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, and smash that like button, guys. I really wasn't going to release this video, but I do feel that I need to put it out there so people can understand how some of us are making money online. I make money with a lot of methods, but this is one of my main ones that does make very good money for me. And if you're here for the competition, the winners are up on the screen. We have 2 winners this time. And once again, all you've got to do to get into this is find the emoji in the video, comment below the emoji and plus cash or plus course. Now let's jump into the video and I'm going to show you exactly how I'm making $100,000 per month with Google online. All right, guys, so in this video, I want to show you 2 things. First of all, I'm going to be showing you my blueprint and exactly how it works and exactly how I've made this money. Then I'm actually going to show you how you can go and get your first $100 a day online doing this. I'm going to take you through everything you need to do to get started with this. So I'm going to show you everything. Now, before we get into this, one of the most important things is to show you the results of all of this. So if we go into my account here, you can see that it's 111,000 in the last 30 days. And we'll just do a refresh because people want us to see a refresh and make sure that they actually are real. I spend a lot of money doing this and I make a lot of money in return, and I'm going to show the blueprint on how I actually do this. So we are back here and these are the results. Now, what I want to do is actually show you something crazy, okay? So if we go to all, this specific account, I have other people that buy ads to me and stuff as well, but this specific account has done nearly $2 million in sales. So I know how to get money on the internet, right? And what I want to do is show you exactly how I've done this. Now, if we go back to the last 30 days, now I am going to blank out some stuff, guys, so I don't want to give away all of my stuff here, but you'll understand in a second what this all is and what this all means. But if we go to this campaign here, this one here, we've made back $7,000. We just started this one, $7,000 and it's cost $4,000. This one here, we've made back nearly $30,000 and spent $5,000. This one here, we have made $9,000, spent $6,000. Now, I have hundreds of campaigns and we've done a lot of money in this account. But how do you actually do this? How did I do this? And how can you use this tutorial and this strategy to help you make some money online? Well, it's simple. I'm going to take you through exactly how to do this and what I've actually done. So in that account I just showed you, in this account, we are promoting quite a lot of stuff, right? Affiliate products, courses, and things like that. What I've actually done is taken the most beginner-friendly campaign that we're running and system, and I'm going to use that for this example, okay? Because it's the easiest way for a beginner to get started is this example right here. So what I do, for example, this is an ad here. Now, I do want you to pay attention because this is very, very important. If you actually understand this, this could essentially change your life and you could make money online. I'm not kidding, because I wish this was around when I was starting to make money online. I only just learned about this stuff a couple of years ago, and I've been working online for like 10 years. Now, I've called this a cold search ad. So one of the campaigns that we're running, people go into Google and they search for a specific keyword. Let's say affiliate marketing, for example. We are actually running campaigns to that keyword. Someone sees our ad, they click that ad, and then they go to a page where they give us their email. Now, on this ad down here, you're going to see that I've made 40,000, but I've spent 46,000. And you're probably wondering, well, why would you keep running that advert? You're not making any profit on that advert. Well, I'm basically running even. So I'm spending what I'm putting in, I'm getting back. Now, there's a reason why I'm doing that, because I get a free email, and then what I also get is I get to build up what we call a retargeting list of people that I can then run advertising to. And they're warm, so the chances of them purchasing are a lot higher. It's very hard to convert people on a cold ad if you're not good at it, right? We do have a lot of ads that are profitable on cold ads, but this one isn't. And that's why I'm using it as an example, so you know that it's not actually a bad thing to lose money or run even on an advert online. Then what happens is these guys now go and watch a training video that's a free training, and they also get put on my email list so I can email offers to them. Now, watch this next slide. It's very important, and it's going to give you like a bit of a oh moment, like you're going to realize. So remember, I made 40K and I spent 40K. But now what I do is I run ads to the retargeting list, so the people that are on that list. So these guys saw the first ad, they went to the list, and one of our retargeting campaigns has brought back $270,000, and we spent $34,000. Okay, so what's happened is I've spent $40,000 here to make $40,000, so I haven't made any profit, but on my retargeting adverts, I've made a huge amount of profit. Okay, $270,000. So we use the retargeting ads to make our profit. And we also email people our training, courses, affiliate offers every single day. And then you actually have what we call digital assets, retargeting list, email list. You can email people to a blog post that you created, maybe a YouTube video that you create, and you can actually send people to these things. This is one of our blog posts, and you can build up digital assets. This blog here is worth we could probably sell it for a couple of million. This is one of our biggest blogs that makes a lot of money. And we've built this asset up by organic traffic, but also email marketing. So how can you go and do this? How can you go and break through and get this started and start to make money for yourself? How can you go and achieve $100 a day? That's the first goal you should be aiming for, is $100 per day. Well, the first thing you need is a product. But you don't need to create your own product. You don't need to even own a product, and you don't need to deal with anything like support or anything like that. You just need to send traffic to the product. Now, we're going to come back to some stats and stuff in a second and kind of help you understand this a little bit better. But let's go and find you a product so you can do this. So what you want to be doing is you want to actually go to a website called clickbank.com, and there's other websites out there as well. And once you sign up to clickbank.com, you want to come to what we call the marketplace, which is here, and click on, for example, e-business and e-marketing. Now, the thing here is these guys have courses, products, software, and we can actually promote these for a commission. So I could go and promote this for $100 average sale, right? I would make $100. Now, these ads that I'm running, we're actually selling products at $100, $200, $50. We're not selling $1,000 or $2,000 courses. You don't actually need to. In fact, we do a lot better selling low ticket products. While everyone else is going and smashing high ticket products, we kind of swoop in and we make really good money on the low ticket products and the mid ticket products. So what you can actually do is you can go and promote these products here, $100 average sale, $241 average sale, $99 average sale. That's what you get per commission. So let's take this one for example. This is a product on how to make money online and things like that. It's the top product on ClickBank. And this product here that I promoted is a make money online product. You see the keywords that we do things like make money keywords, investment keywords, ClickBank keywords, affiliate keywords, and things of that nature. Now, if we go back to here, you'll see that this is a make money thing or something to do with like Netflix. But it's about making money, I think. Anyway, if it's not, there's plenty of other make money stuff that you can promote. Is you want to go to promote, and you're going to get this, what we call an affiliate link. Okay, so this is called an affiliate link. Here we go. I actually made 40 grand today on ClickBank. Actually, I'm going to have another video coming out on that soon, so make sure you stay tuned. I'm going to show it all, $40,000, and we did it with this kind of structure. So this is going to be your affiliate link, but you can't just go and put your affiliate link in Google. What you need to actually do is go and use a program, a funnel program. So I use one called ClickFunnels. You can use whatever you like. There's lots out there. And what this does is this creates a page like this where I can actually put in an email. I can actually get people to put in their email. And then when they give me their email, I can actually redirect them to this affiliate link. Now, I'll have a video below on that. That'll take you through exactly how you can set up your own page. This is not what this video is about, but I have a free video below that you can check out, and it'll show you how to set up your page that looks like this so you can collect emails. Now, the next step is you want to actually go and run some campaigns and get some ads running. What I recommend you do is you go into Google and start an ad account, and you go to start a new campaign. And when you start, you want to do a search campaign. That's the easiest for beginners to do because you don't have to show your face or anything like that. We do Google search, we do videos and stuff like that. And I'm just going to go to website traffic. You can do leads. It really depends. You can actually we do leads, so you want to track leads, but you need to put on a pixel on your pages. You can find information online on how to do that. But let's say I'll go to leads and I'll go to search campaign. And I'll go to website visits, and you'll put in your URL here. So this is the page that I would send them to. And then what it's going to do is it's going to ask me if I want to put in keywords and stuff. So you just can name your campaign here and then scroll down, choose your countries, choose your daily budget. So we usually start on like $50, but it really just depends on what you want to do. You can start on a lot lower. I'm going to take off set target action. We don't want that. And I'm going to go to save and continue. And what you can actually do is you can create these ads. You can create these text ads for people to click on, and you can collect an email, okay? And you just basically put in the keywords here. So something like affiliate marketing, make money online. These are actually the type of keywords that we target, but you can actually do what we call a broad match, a phase match, and an exact match. If you want to learn more about that, you just click on learn more, and it will give you information on what those are, and you can learn about what those are. Sorry guys, my camera was full. So you can learn about all of that on Google. But next, what you want to do is go to save and continue. And what you're going to do here is you're going to actually create the ad creative where people are going to click on it. Now, I do want to warn you that it is going to take a little bit of testing. You're not going to be able to just make money right away. It's going to take a little bit of testing. But what's important is don't worry if you lose money on your cold ad, because I'm going to tell you in a second how you do a retargeting ad, okay? So you just fill out all the information, your headlines, your descriptions, and stuff like that, and you just create an ad. What I usually do is I go to the keyword that I'm targeting, and I do similar ads to what's in the Google Search Console. So you just put in your heading, your descriptions, and stuff like that, and then you go save and continue, and you start running your Google ad. But what I wanted to talk about was how do you actually run a retargeting campaign? So when you put a pixel on your funnel, on your page, you build what we call an audience. What we do is we do video campaigns. So we go and create video, so new campaign, and we would do usually website traffic or purchases, and we do what we call a video campaign. But what if you don't have a video? Well, what we actually do is all you need to do is maybe go buy the course or do like an overview of the landing page. This is one of the ones that we did. We spent $2,000 and made back $53,000. All I did was go over my product and talk about it and just say, hey, this is what's inside. And that's it. You don't even have to have your face on the screen. That's all you do. But you want to retarget with videos because it's very, very powerful stuff. It converts very, very well. Or you could just go back to the product here, and you could, so you could go to the product and you could just go over the page and say, hey, I noticed you checked this out, but it looks like you didn't purchase. Come and check it out. We've got this free training or whatever it is. It's all you need to do. It only needs to be like 60 minutes long, not even that. You can even do a 30-second ad. But that's one of the most important things. That's where we make like all of our profit is in these video ads that we create. And video ads are very simple to do. You just go through the process and set up a video ad. And what you're trying to do is you're trying to set up this process where you build up these huge digital assets and then you retarget them with warm video ads. And the proof is in the pudding, as they say, $270,000 with $34,000 in ad spend. That is a stupid return on investment. Need money. And if you need proof that this works, the proof is right here, $1.94 million on Google. Now, if you want more training on affiliate marketing, you can click the videos on the screen and it'll take you through step by step on how you can do affiliate marketing and how you can make money online. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, smash that like button, and I'll see you on the videos on the right.